Have you ever thought about starting a community garden? Imagine a space where sustainability is promoted, community bonds are strengthened, and fresh produce is readily available. This is the essence of a community garden. Starting a community garden might seem daunting, but it can be done if you follow these simple steps. First and foremost, find a suitable location for your community garden. A prime spot bathes in sunlight, boasts rich soil, and is easily accessible. These factors are key to fostering a thriving garden that the community can enjoy. Once you have the perfect spot, you're ready for the next step. Now, it's time to gather your community. The success of a community garden relies heavily on local involvement. Consider organizing community meetings or harnessing the power of social media to rally support. With a team in place, you can move on to the next phase. With a location and a team, it's time to plan and design your garden. Begin by deciding what to plant, taking into consideration your community's needs and local growing conditions. Then create a layout that maximizes space, ensuring each plant receives ample light and room to grow. With a plan in hand, you're ready to start planting. Finally, it's time to plant and maintain your garden. Proper planting techniques are vital for robust growth. Regular maintenance, like watering and weeding, keeps the garden healthy and productive. Remember, a well-tended garden is a thriving garden. And there you have it, your very own community garden. Starting a community garden is a rewarding endeavor that brings people together and promotes sustainability. It involves finding a location, rallying your community, designing and maintaining your garden. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!